Looking to take your productivity to the next level? Discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time. From seamless scheduling to hidden features that will keep you organized, you won't want to miss this expert insight. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. So this is the homepage as you can see, and Google Calendar is a web-based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional scheduling. So here we have calendar.google.com. I will show you how you can use this one. So firstly, if you want to create an event, here we have, you click over event. So you have just to add a title here. You choose event or task as well. So if it's event, you select here the time. For example, you select the day that it will start, and also you select the day that will end also, and you select also the time as you can see. Then you select here the time that it will be end. Then here we have, you select all day if you want, or select which day. For example, you separate start to end time zones. For example, select even start time zone which would, for example, Central European Standard Time Algeria, and we have here event end time zone also. Then you click over OK. And also we have here find a time, add guests if you want, add Google Meet video conferencing, and you want also add location, if you want also a description or a Google Drive attachment. Then here we have, you select other things. So here we have also description, the location, and about here you can just select if you are busy or free. And here we have default visibility, for example public or private. And also we have here, you select how much time, and you add a notification here 10 minutes before, and this is it. Then you click over save and you add an event. So this is for this one, for event. Then we have here task. About the task, you can just select here the time and you add a description, add tasks here, and you click over save. So this is for task. Then we have appointment schedule. So about this one, we can just add a title here. You choose appointment duration, how long should each appointment last. For example, if is it 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and custom as well. Then here we have general availability, set when you are regularly available for appointments. So we have just a little more. Then we have here if you want to repeat weekly. Here we have sun if it's available. So we choose also the day that you want. For example, Monday at 9 o'clock. Then we have a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we have Saturday as well. So then we have the schedule and window if you want a 60 days in advance to 4 hours before. So also here you will find if you are available now, and you select here also the days, adjusted availability, and we have also here booked appointment as well. So about this one, you can just select the buffer time as time between appointment slots, maximum bookings per day, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. Then we have here guest permissions. Guests can invite others. If you want this option, you can just click over here. If you don't want to, you can just let it like that. So after booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar events to invite others. So I will click over this one. Then we have your calendars as well. So about this one, you can just select the color of yourself that it will be represented here. And then we have here check calendars for availability. Bookable times won't be available during any events granted or accepted under my name. This is my name, calendar. And here we have, if you want to connect more calendars, link multiple calendars to avoid scheduling conflict. Get this and more with a Google One premium plan. Then you click over next. So this is it for this one. So you can just get started with Google Calendar, and this is for this one. So also we have here other options. For example, if you want to select today, or you can select also the time that you want. If you click over here the main menu, you will find here the platform. For example, here you find the things that you have to add here. For example, add a title here for an event, or you choose here tasks if you want, or appointments schedule as I did. So this is how it works. Then also we have here in my calendars, if we want birthdays, tasks as well. For example, birthdays, and we have here tasks, other calendars also. For example, holidays, and we have other things here. So in the right we have here the keep, and we have also here tasks. If one contacts, then we have here maps, and we have here get add-ons. So for example, for this one, you have just take a note, so you can just add something and you put it in the day that you will do this note. So then we have here tasks as well. Then we have context. Then we have also maps and get add-ons. Then here we have the option of Google Maps. And then also we have here switch to task, switch to calendar, and you choose here if you want day, week, month, year, schedule, 4 days as well. Then we have here settings menu and support, and here we have search. Also here, if you want to search for person, you click over here, and here we have it. All right, then here you select the data that you want, for example for November, December, January, February, and you have to plan it for that. So this is how you can do that. So for example, I have a birthday for January or February, and I will do a plan for that. All right, so this is how it works with Google Calendar. You can just get started as soon as possible. Then we have here other task if you want, or here we have also if you want to contacts. Then we have here maps, and here we have get add-ons also. All right, so this is how it works with Google Calendar. So we have Google Workspace Marketplace. You can just get started with that, and it's very helpful and useful to get started with Google Calendars. All right, so this is it. So Google Calendar is a powerful user-friendly tool that helps individuals and teams manage, schedule, set reminders, and organize tasks. Its integration with other Google services and accessibility across devices make it essential for staying organized and on top of commitments. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.